The Accurpress 60-ton hybrid has a feature that allows for ram motion to be initiated by interrupting the light curtain beam. This is a great feature that speeds up part forming production while also reducing operator fatigue by allowing you to move the ram without using the foot pedal. This feature can be set to either single or double beam interruption. Single beam interruption can be ideal for forming smaller parts where material handling is within the light curtain beam. The double beam interruption can be ideal for larger parts that require the light curtain beam to be interrupted twice due to material handling. In both cases, the Vision double stop feature can be enabled, which allows the foot pedal to be used for the actual forming motion of the ram. The ram conveniently moves into position, ready for the next bend. The light curtain also acts as a safety guarding system throughout the forming process. Any unplanned obstruction will immediately halt ram motion. The light curtain feature is standard on our 60-ton machines and available as an option on our other hybrid models.